So conditional statement or selection is to perform certain things when condition is satisfied. In R, it's just very simple. If bracket the condition, use the curly bracket to put the code that to execute, and else if the thing is false, else the statement is optional. Else, example is the following: simple if 1y is 2, x less than y, and then we want this to, then you will execute, right? So this case, we print out yes, right? Because 2 is bigger than 1. Let's see. Okay. So I have following. So I have 1, and actually you can see yes because y is greater than x. So next one is if else. So if x is y is 1, x less than y, which is not true, then that's why the else will be no. Run it. Look here, we copy and run it. That's how you get the no. And the other one would have this 1 3. So it's if else, after else another if. So there's no next if, but it's an else and an if statement again. X less than y, not true. It's not execute. Else x less than z. So that's why this statement will be. Then this will not go to. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's why run it here. So here we have an example of absolute value. The function we set x positive give the same value, x negative you get the negative value of it. So always get the numerical value, not the sign. Here is absolute function of x is bigger than 0. Set it to itself. Otherwise, a negative, and you return z. The absolute value of 4 is negative 4. So uh, let's run this code in the so basically it's absolute value x is greater than 0, then you get the same value, otherwise you get negative. And with this, right, 4, and you have negative 4, also give you same thing. Okay. Now another example we have is a exercise is return the cap based on exam score. Exam score is more than 90 is 5, 80 to 90 is 4, 70 to 80 is 3, 70 less than that is 2. So how do we it in R? It's very simple. The cap function of x, one input, more than 90, 5, else more than 80, 4. Here I don't need to compound and end here because if first is more than 90 or already execute, else already mean x is less than 9. Need to do. And else more than 70 is 3, and else is 2. Then z, and then you can check whether it's right, say 92, cap like 1, cap 70. Let's run this. Same as what we expect. Function that looks like quite right. Now let's try the last one. Cap 55, cap 2. Yeah, so this is the things we want. Okay, the function that we want to create for the exercise. So now let's go to the other exercise. It's more complicated. We have 2 input x and y, the exam score and test score, and if some of them more than 90 and y more than or less than 40, then a plus. If total score is 80 and 90 is a, 70 80 is a minus, less than 7 is b plus. How to do it in R? Here is very simple. You have x and y, and only main changes is you have here with the end statement. If they're true, more than 90 and or less than 40 is A plus. Otherwise, more than 80 is A, more than 70 is B, so and so forth. So let's see whether this thing that beat our intuition. Test score is like 42, and then it's 50, right? Then we have something like 35, like 75. Okay, run this A plus and A. For sorry, uh, 35, 55. This one should give us a, yeah, this exactly fit what we want. Okay, so that's how the if statement. Thank you.